10 on 10. It feels a little illegal to do this. That was gone in a blink. A really bad experiment. हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज अल्फिया और आज की वीडियो होने वाली है आम के नाम. वी आर गोना बी कुकिंग एंड ईटिंग ओनली आम फूड फॉर 24 आवर्स. ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, सब कुछ. एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर रियली डन समथिंग लाइक दिस. एंड आज बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंटल होगा बिकॉज आई विल बी मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ रेसिपीज दैट आई हैवंट ट्राइड इन द पास्ट. एंड मे बी वील रियली डिस्कवर सम फन रेसिपीज दैट वी कैन ऑब्वियसली लाइक रिक्रिएट एवरी आम सीजन. लेट मी नो सबसे फेवरेट आपकी आम की डिश कौन सी है in the comments below. And if you haven't yet followed me on my Instagram, go ahead, do it right away. Subscribe to my channel and let's get started. It is time for breakfast. मैं बहुत confused थी कि सुबह सुबह आम से क्या खाया जाए. I genuinely don't like fruits in the morning that much, but then I found this mango malai toast recipe on YouTube, so that's what we're gonna make. It's going to be like a sweet breakfast, which is not my favorite. I prefer savory. But along with that, we need a drink. Drum rolls for the most viral drink right now. It is the mango matcha latte. Oh my god, it's broken the internet, but also my bank balance because I've spent so much money in the past 2 weeks just buying it from the outside. But today we're gonna make it, so let's go make our brekkie. For delicious mango malai toast, I'm making 2 slices of thick cut sourdough bread that I'm toasting in some butter. Just add in regular malai on top. I use full fat milk for this and top it with some jaggery and flip it to caramelize. And then add another layer of malai on top. Cut slices of mango to place them on top and finally sprinkle some sugar to garnish, and there you have it. And then for mango matcha in a cup, I added matcha and some hot water, and with this bamboo whisk in W or M motion, whisked it till a frothy foam formed on top. In another glass with some matcha, milk and fresh cream, I decided to make this thick foam. And then it was time to assemble everything. Add your mango layer first. I wish I had added more quantity, to be honest. I'm adding some maple syrup as sweetener, ice cubes of course. There goes in oat milk, the matcha we made, and the matcha cream finally. Look at those colors and the gradient. The mango matcha is now served. Guys, these look so good. Oh my god, look at the colors in my matcha latte. And the malai toast looks absolutely scrumptious. So I gave one of the toast to my mom and sister and their reactions were so nice. So I'm so excited to dive in. And the matcha latte, let's take a nice bite with like mango, malai, everything at once. This tastes so good. I've never really had anything like this. I'm so happy. It's so nice.
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
I have to try it. My mind is blown. The caramelized malai is just tasting so nice. It feels like shahi tukda. And उसके ऊपर mango. I could easily have 2 of these. It's so amazing. That was gone in a blink of the eye, but please try करना उसको. I actually thought कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा sweet होगा, but नहीं था sweet. Genuinely, it was so balanced. Time for the matcha latte. I should have added a little more sweetener to this. It's not that sweet, but I have to give it to myself that it's not tasting grassy, just like some matchas do. This is really mild and it's that way nice. It just lacks a little bit of sweetener for my preference, but otherwise I think it's great.
You sure about that?
Not great, but good. I think I did a decent job. I'm slightly disappointed with the matcha. About ratings, I think I'm going to give the malai toast a solid 9.5 on 10. It was chef's kiss. I want to see how it tastes. If you actually like freeze it a little bit and make it like a little cool, I think that would taste better. The matcha was slightly a disappointment. I think I'm going to give it a 7 on 10. But great start. I don't really like sweet breakfast, but I think I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'll see you when it's time for lunch. Okay, y'all, it is time for lunch, and I really want to have something savory, something chatpata, something masaledar because सुबह बहुत मीठा हो गया था. And let's make mango chicken. I know it sounds so weird, chicken and mango together, but it's going to be fun, experimental. Let's see how it goes. For tangy, juicy mango grilled chicken, I'm taking 300 grams of chicken breast, to which we'll add fresh mango pulp, some ginger garlic paste to this, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt and jaggery powder. There goes in all the wet ingredients, lemon juice, light soy sauce, olive oil, and mixing it and marinating both the sides so that the chicken is coated evenly. This needs to refrigerate for at least 2 to 4 hours, and I'm gonna take a grilling pan later on with some olive oil to grill the chicken on medium heat for 10 minutes per side until cooked through. I've added some boiled veggies on the side and a cup of amras to complete the meal, and your sweet and spicy mango grilled chicken is now ready to enjoy. Lunch has been served and I am so excited. We have some chicken, veggies, amras, and I also poured some amras on the chicken, which could be a really bad experiment, but I thought अगर challenge कर रहे हैं तो उसको थोड़ा fun बनाते ही है. Mango मतलब mango everywhere. So let me just quickly dive in and taste the chicken. I feel like बहुत अच्छा marinate हुआ था ये. हमने उसको proper overnight ही रखा था. So I'm assuming that it's nice and juicy and flavorful. Okay, I'm taking a nice bite of the chicken right here. It's tangy. It's spicy and tangy, which is very unusual. It tastes different, but I genuinely can't taste anything mango, which is, I mean, a little surprising, but it does not taste bad. With the amras, I don't think I can recommend because वो बहुत मीठा, तीखा, नमकीन सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा है. Not with the amras, but I can just enjoy the chicken and then the veggies and finally some amras. That would be perfect. It feels a little illegal to do this, but I think overall I would give this like a solid 8 on 10. Now for dinner, we are making Thailand mango sticky rice. I know that it's actually a dessert. That's what it is famous for in Thailand, but I wanted to have it for dinner because I've heard that it's also a really nice, wholesome meal option. I can't tell you, I was literally a few days ago telling my friends how I want to try the mango sticky rice, go to Thailand for it. We're obviously not going to Thailand anytime soon, so घर पे ही बना लेते हैं. काफ़ी simple है and उसके लिए वो स्पेशल स्टिकी राइस लगता है जो बहुत ईजिली नहीं मिलता है लोगों को, बट आई गॉट लकी. आई फाउंड इट ऑन Amazon and we have all the ingredients ready. I am so excited for this recipe. I feel like if there's one thing that I was supremely excited to make and try was this one, and it better not disappoint. So let's get going. For Thai style mango sticky rice, you need glutinous rice that you gotta soak for at least 6 hours minimum, and then taking a cheesecloth, I'm going to steam it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it is soft and sticky. On the other hand, in a saucepan, take some coconut milk, add sugar into it and some salt over low heat until everything dissolves nicely. It should become transparent by now. Once the rice is ready, transfer it into a bowl, pour 3/4 of the coconut sauce that you've made over it, and while it is hot, mix it and let it sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that everything soaks nicely. Now place a scoop of sticky rice on a plate, arrange your sliced mangoes beside it, drizzle remaining coconut sauce on top and garnish with some crispy moong dal for crunch. Serve warm or room temperature and get ready to obsess over this wholesome dish. Oh my god, it is here. I am so excited. We finally made the viral Thailand special mango sticky rice, and it looks literally straight out of Pinterest, exactly how they serve in restaurants, and I am so excited. मेरे को इतनी खुशी कोई मील के लिए नहीं है. Let's go. Woo! Okay, it better not disappoint. It's so wholesome.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god, why did I not try it? Earlier I wasted 26 years of my life. I love it. The rice is so chewy. I think it's because we actually picked the correct sticky rice that they use. It's so chewy. Unlike our regular rice. Oh my god! This is so yum! I love it. It turned out so good. And my mom. I think I would give this dish a solid 10 on 10. This only the fact that I'm gonna find a sugar-free version of this, because so much sugar I can't. So we're gonna try and replace the sugar with something else and make more of this, because bro, like, this is chef's kiss. Dinner was really good. I am so grateful. And for dessert, which I usually don't make in any of my challenge videos because I'm not a sweet tooth, but mango है और dessert नहीं बनाया तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा. So we thought we'll make this stuffed mango kulfi. Oh my god, the pictures on the internet are so drool worthy and मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये ऐसा कुछ होता भी है. So let's go make it. It looks so nice. I am excited. To make the violet stuffed mango kulfi, in a deep pan heat full fat milk on low flame. You can add cardamom powder to this. मेरे वाले में already केसर था. If you don't have it, add additionally milk powder and sugar, and make sure to stir it constantly until the mixture thickens and reduces to half. Now add chopped nuts if you like and cool the mixture completely. Carefully slice the top stem cap of each mango and then using a knife or spoon gently loosen and remove the seed from the inside. Pour the cooled kulfi mixture inside hollow mango and seal it later, freezing for 8 to 10 hours until fully set. Once frozen, peel the mango skin just like banana, cut thick slices and serve chilled. And look at that beauty, unbelievably gorgeous and deliciously rich summer dessert. Here we go, the mango kulfi. Meko hopes nahi the, but bhai sahab, it has literally turned out like crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? This can't be this good, especially when it's made at home. Did we make this at home and it turned out this good? I'm literally speechless right now. So cold. I love it. I can't believe we made it. I'm in denial right now. This can't be this good.
भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये?
It's time to rate it and I'm gonna give it 100 on 10. This is literally mind-blowing. I am shocked. But please try this ASAP. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. मुझे बताना कौन सी आम की डिश आप लोग बनाने वाले हो and you are so excited to try. I feel like मुझे इतना ज़्यादा मज़ा आया ये चैलेंज करने के लिए. It was the perfect time. I might recreate a few dishes here and there. And if you have आपके घर की कोई speciality, कोई ऐसी आम की डिश जो आपको लगता है मुझे try करना चाहिए, I would love to make a video on that as well, where I try your mango recipes. Leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and don't forget to stick around. Bye!